material inspection and thickness control. The steel feed line begins as the continuous roll slowly makes its way into the factory machinery. This is the deep drawing press, transforming a flat steel disc into a bottle shell in one powerful stroke. Within the annealing furnace, the bottles are heated to relieve internal stresses, a critical step in the manufacturing process. This precision welding process creates the double-wall vacuum insulation, ensuring maximum temperature retention for the bottles.
Here, the polishing compound on the wheel begins the abrasive process, smoothing the surface from a rough matte texture to a brilliant metallic shine.
An electrostatic spray gun applies the powder coat to the rotating bottle. The static charge attracts the colorful particles directly to the metal surface.
Shot in extreme slow motion, we can see the individual particles flocking to the metallic surface, adhering instantly due to the powerful electrostatic attraction.
This is the curing oven, where the intense heat hardens the finish on the bottles.
Using extreme precision, the laser etches permanent marks into the surface, a process captured here in stunning slow motion.
Utilizing advanced automation, the torque station rapidly secures the lid, applying precise calibrated force for a perfect seal. Precision is paramount. Our technicians check every surface for the slightest imperfection, ensuring a flawless finish. This automated system folds and creases the cardboard with absolute precision, transforming flat sheets into retail packaging in seconds. Utilizing advanced automation, the machine rapidly seals each box as it moves down the conveyor belt, maintaining the flow of production.
This automated system ensures precision. The laser reads the barcode, instantly logging the package into the factory's tracking system. Using heavy machinery, the team ensures that the products are loaded efficiently and securely for transport.
Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, the bottle features a laser-engraved logo and precision-machined threads for a perfect seal. After weeks of careful crafting, the journey is complete. The result is a testament to quality and tradition.